Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to mute an account on X, the platform we all know for real-time conversations and updates. Sometimes, you just want a little peace in your feed without unfollowing or blocking someone completely. Muting is a quiet way to keep your timeline clean while staying connected when you choose. Let's jump right into it. First, open the X app on your phone or computer and navigate to the profile of the account you want to mute. This could be anyone whose posts you'd rather not see for a while, but don't necessarily want to remove or unfollow. Once you're on their profile, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. That's the options menu. Tap those 3 dots. A list of actions will appear, giving you a few choices. From there, find and select mute. It's usually listed alongside options like block, report, or restrict. Choosing mute will immediately limit how often their posts appear in your feed. After you tap mute, a confirmation message will pop up. This step ensures that you really want to mute the account and don't tap it by accident. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the account is muted. From this point on, any posts or replies from that person won't appear in your feed. They won't be notified that you've muted them, so the action stays completely private. You can still visit their profile and interact whenever you want. You just won't see their updates automatically. If you ever change your mind, simply return to their profile, tap the same 3 dots, and select Unmute. It's just as fast and easy as turning the feature on. So that's how you can mute an account on X in a few simple steps. Go to their profile, tap the 3 dots, select Mute, and confirm. With this quick update, you can fine-tune your timeline and keep your experience on X peaceful and distraction-free.